Okay, I got me a few things here. I'm gonna try to set my hammock up, and I'm gonna do an improvised shelter with a couple of cheap Walmart tarps. I'll start with my hammock. I'm gonna take my tree straps. They basically got two sides, like a short side and a long side. I'm gonna run the short side around this tree here. The second one around this tree. We'll set this about the height of my eyes right now. Okay. That looks fairly good. I'm gonna try a double ridge line this time. And I'm gonna use two tarps, running each one of them in different direction. I think I already got a bow line set up on this line here. Yeah, I already got a bow line here. Let's see, I'm gonna run this bow line around the tree here. I'm gonna set this as my bottom. Okay, I'm gonna use a trucker knot to secure this side of the ridge line to this tree. Set me a second ridge line using this little trucker knot here so I can get it relatively tight. Okay. There we go. Okay, here's my makeshift rig for this week. I have my hammock laid up under here. I have one inexpensive tarp running down the back, and I got it pegged into the ground here and there. Then I got a second tarp, and I got it got my trekking poles for a stand here, and I got these tied off. I just used a standard bow line, just come around the standard bow line to hook to my peg. Same thing on this other side. Got my trekking pole, bow line, running down to another bow line to my peg. But there's my rig for this week, using trekking poles, two tarps, and my hammock. Okay, now we're going to test it, see how it works. It's really humid out here, and it's time to take a little nap. The only rain shower that's supposed to come through today just went through about a half hour ago, so I'm not going to be able to weather test this. Okay. Let's see, I think I want it to be pointing this way. Kick my shoes off. I'll see y'all in a couple hours. It's nap time. Whoa. Okay. I'm gonna turn this thing off in a minute. I'm gonna show you just how hard it is for me to get my fat ass up out of the thing. Hopefully I don't break this thing trying to get out of it. I think one of the secrets is trying to get more weight over this way than there is this way. Okay. All right. I got another tarp in here I'm going to use for a ground cover. I just forgot to bring it. Okay. Oh, don't cramp up. And there we go.